To make a honey peach white cheddar grilled cheese sandwich, follow these simple steps. Ingredients you will need: sliced white bread, butter or margarine, white cheddar cheese slices, fresh ripe peach thinly sliced, honey. Instructions: 1. Lay out 2 slices of white bread on a clean surface. 2. On one side of each slice, spread a thin layer of butter or margarine. This will help the bread get crispy and golden when grilled. 3. Place a slice of white cheddar cheese on the unbuttered side of one bread slice. 4. Add a layer of thinly sliced fresh ripe peach on top of the cheese. 5. Drizzle a generous amount of honey over the peaches. 6. Place another slice of white cheddar cheese on top of the peaches and honey. 7. Close the sandwich by placing the second buttered bread slice on top, with the buttered side facing outwards. 8. Preheat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. 9. Carefully transfer the assembled sandwich onto the hot skillet or griddle. 10. Grill the sandwich for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until the bread turns golden brown and the cheese is melted. 11. Once grilled to perfection, remove the sandwich from the skillet. 12. Allow it to cool for a moment before slicing it diagonally or into halves. Enjoy your honey peach white cheddar grilled cheese. It's a delightful blend of sweet, savory, and cheesy goodness. Feel free to adjust the amount of honey and peach slices to your preference. Bon appetit!